Today we will see about the arithmetic operation using Python programming. So what we are going to do is, we are going to get inputs, two numbers, and we are going to add, subtract, multiply, divide, all the possible arithmetic operations we are going to do. So just get this environment. If you are not aware of setting the environment, I have given the link in the description. You have to create a Git, then attach with the Visual Studio, and then you have to do the operations. So in Python circuit, give a plus mark here and create this file. You can give any name you want. So this is how you create a file. Inside hash is comment, just to say what you are doing. So it is a good practice to always add comment. So this says addition of two numbers. So first, this is the variable. As I said, Python is an interpreter. So what it will do is, only line by line, only when you run, it will say the error. Otherwise, it will not say the error. So F1 is, I am saying enter the first input. This is enter the second input. Second number. So now here I am going to do sum. So why I am using this int? If I don't use this int, what will happen? If I don't use this int, I will just remove and show you. Int is changing by default. This is string. When you get anything from the input, it is string. String cannot be added, subtracted. That's why now it should say error. See, when I compile, it won't say any error. So when I run without debugging. So if you say, see, it didn't say. But if it is a compiler, during this time, during compilation itself, you should get an error. But it didn't say error. 5, say 10, 5. See, now it came to execute line number 8. So in line number 8, it is not able to proceed. It says, see, it is a string, and you cannot do an operation on string. So that's why you have to convert this string to integer. So that's why I have used int. For addition alone, it won't do because it is the sum. But it is a good practice. To always convert to the data type. So if in Visual Studio, you can find out whether you are finding any mistakes. If you are leaving any, see, it says read from the buffer. It is an integer base 10. So this is how it says. It converts a number or a string to an integer. So that is why I am using int. So I have done plus, minus, multiply, divide. This is floor division. This is module. Module is remainder. And this is power of a power of p. So now I have converted. Now we can run and see the output. Start without debugging. Now we can give first number as 5, second number as 10. Now you see addition, 5 plus 10 is 60. This is subtraction. This is multiplication. It has done division. So now you can see the difference between this floor and this. It is putting a dot here. This mod is nothing but remainder. So if you want to get value here, you should give a number which is not divisible. So this is power of. Now can we try one more example? Sorry. So now with the remainder we'll give. So 10. So I'll give 7 divided by 2. So we should get remainder. So you can see the remainder. So this division also you can clearly see the difference. 3.5 also it is capturing. Floor is the lowest value only it will take. After point it will not take. So that is the difference. So you can play around with all these numbers and arithmetic operation. If you don't have Visual Studio, you can directly run this in your mobile itself. So if you don't have a laptop, you can try in mobile. Change the mobile to desktop and go to Chrome and type this link. I'll add this link in the description. This is an online GDP debugger. Here you can use any language you want. Regarding this I have already done a video. See here you can choose any language you want to learn. So Python, you just delete this and copy your code from here and paste it, and you can run. Control A, Control C and paste it here. So run, you can see the same output. 55. See, like this you can learn. You want to copy, you can copy here. So how to use this GDP debugger, I have added one more video. You can check that if you are interested. If not, you can continue all the code in this Visual Studio. So this is an example sample code for arithmetic operation. So here you can change this to a function. We can check how to change to a function in the next video. Thank you.